This is one of our units at our Meadow Ridge complex, which is at the end of North Street in Herman. This is one of our mid-size units. It's building 104, and this is unit number 4. It has 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. You walk right into the living room. And over here at the left, there's a coat closet. These units do have all nice wood laminate floors. There's no carpet anywhere except on the stairs. So this is the kitchen. It does have a nice bar here where you could put some bar stools. This is a dishwasher. Double stainless sink. Built-in microwave, 5-burner glass top stove. And this is a fridge. It does have an ice maker in it. And then there's a little space here where you could have a dining table, kitchen, high top table, so forth. And then there's a little space over here. Back door that goes out to the deck. Actually overlooks wooded area. Very, very quiet out here. And there's a partition between the next door unit. There's plenty of room out here for a gas grill, patio set, table and chairs, and so forth. And then you have a full basement. So you have lots of room for storage. So this is where the washer dryer hookup is. And then again, lots of room. It is a full basement. And then you also have a door that walks out to the back. So if you have any bulky items like kayaks or canoes or bicycles, and that kind of thing, so it's actually right under the deck. So that's very convenient, again, to get bulky items in and out of the basement. Again, it's nice and clean and dry, so it's great for storing things. And this does have the nice recessed lights in the ceiling. Does have dual zone control. There's a thermostat down here for your temperature, and there's also one upstairs. So again, the only place there's carpet is on the stairs, which is basically for sound control between the units. And up here you do have a linen closet. And then this is your smaller bedroom, which is a pretty good size. It would take a queen size bed if you want to use it for a second bedroom. And this is the closet. That looks out over the backyard. And then this is the guest bathroom. It does have 2 full baths. Has nice granite countertops. And then this way goes into the master bedroom, which also has its own full bath. The door actually closes, so it closes off from the rest of the unit. And this also has the granite top. And then this is the master, which is quite large. This will take a king-size bedroom set. And then this is the master closet. This is a double closet, which is basically takes up this whole wall on the side. And it's hot water baseboard heat. Heat is included in the rent. Also water and sewer, snow plowing, lawn care. So the only thing the tenant pays for here is the electricity. So basically that is the video tour for 104 number 4 Meadow Ridge Drive. If you have any questions, you can contact us at rentbangor.com or call us at 974-6606.